want to show you how to use this material to correct your male organ. If you have problem with your male organ, then just do what I will show you now, and you will see that everything will be corrected. So what we are going to use today is onion. We have this is three type of onion here, but this is the red type, this is the white, and this is the brown. But the one that we are going to use today is the white. We are going to use this one. So this one, put them aside. So what we do right now is that you cut it to, you peel it first. Then you cut it to pieces. We are going to use only this one because the onion is a little bit big, so you keep the rest for the next day. So what we do now is that you see, you put a little water inside your grinding machine cup, then you put them inside. Grind it. After grinding it, then you take this and sieve it. you can see how it is. Then you now take honey. This is pure honey. So you can see it. See pure honey. Then you take a teaspoon, just like this, put it inside and mix it together. So what you need out of this is just a teaspoon, just like this. Every morning you take it. Then you take it every morning, a teaspoon. If it's not necessary to prepare plenty like this, you can just prepare the one you will take maybe for 2 days. A teaspoon, just like this. Then you take it for 6 days. And as you are taking this in the morning, then the other thing that you have to do is you get a unripe plantain. Then you cut it and peel it. Gently peel it. You see that the cover is coming. So it will become something like this. Then this you put it inside your oven, and then you dry it. So after drying it, it will become something like this. Then you take granite, you take it with granite every evening. Then you will see some changes. You take it for at least, you continue to take it for at least a week. Then you begin to see changes. Then you become Superman. So if you like my video, please try to subscribe and press the button. Thank you very much.